Hey guys, Richard here at the E-Bike Reviews and Adventures. Well, I'm all loaded up, getting ready to go for another ride with a group of friends. Our riding group is going to meet down in Venice, Florida, and we're going to ride the waterways and just check out parts of the city, I think. I'm not really sure what the plan is because I didn't coordinate this one. I'm just along for the ride. But I'm bringing the Admotor M81. Got it all decked out there. Now, some of you might be thinking, hey Richard, why don't you take one of your newer bikes, take those out there for a ride. Well, that's because right here in front we have the fifth wheel that's still trying to get sold. We've got the King Bull over here, but it's not equipped with the luggage racks, and it's a mountain bike off-road style thing, so I really don't want to try to take that. The Ramat Link over here, I don't have a basket or a place to put my saddlebags because I've got the cushion attached. It's not real easy to take off, so I didn't want to monkey with that this morning and try to take that off. Otherwise, I would have taken that, and I thought about it, but I need to make an adjustment on the brakes. Now, I went riding with my buddy Ron a couple of days ago, and the rear brake started making a noise, and it was a strange kind of noise. It wasn't like your typical rubbing kind of noise, and at first we thought, oh no, is this the motor? Something wrong with that? So it took a little while to kind of figure it out, but it is the rear brakes, and I think they're just rubbing, but they sound really strange. I don't know. So I need to do an adjustment on those and make sure that's squared away because the brakes aren't the greatest to begin with, and I want to make sure they're working the best they can. So I'm not taking that. I thought about taking the Railroad Emma actually because I need to take that out again. That'd be fun to take out. But right now I've got the really thin seat. I don't know if you can see it. We installed that really thin seat on the back right there, and it's just way too low for me. I need a thicker seat, and that's another seat that's kind of hard to, change out. So, and I'm not sure if the battery is fully charged. And I almost got myself in trouble recently because I thought my battery was fully charged and it wasn't fully charged, and range anxiety hit. So anyway, so those are my options. But I said, you know what? It's gonna rain here around 2 o'clock today. We should be done by then. Should be home by then, I hope. And didn't want to monkey with anything. I'm just taking the Admotor M81. It has served me well so far. But that's it. So the next time you see me, we'll probably be on the road with a group of friends. Hope you enjoy the ride. Here we go. Sucked. So the rain came in a couple hours before it was supposed to. And I got caught in it. Drove about 40 miles on the interstate in a pretty hard rain. So we're going to be testing out to see just how well the Admotor M81 does. Yeah. Today's group ride, I'm probably not even going to show it. It was interesting. Didn't turn out quite the way we had hoped. The route that was open 2 weeks ago was closed for construction, and tried to find a way around it, and just one of those things where nothing was working out today. Nothing was working out. And then all this happened. It's just one of those days, sometimes, I'm smashing my camera. Sometimes, you have these hiccups, things just don't work out. That's all right. And you just kind of roll with the punches and keep moving forward. But sometimes things just don't work out, and it just doesn't work out, and it just sucks more than others. You know what I'm saying? And that's kind of how this is. This is just, I don't know, something about this whole day. Just not very pleasant. I don't know. We needed the rain. It hasn't rained around here. Let me get on this side. It hasn't rained around here in months. We're under a severe drought. So we needed this rain. This is welcomed. I didn't need it all over my e-bike. Alright, let's see if I can get this down. Come on. There we go. Yeah, Didn't give myself enough room. See what I'm talking about? The whole day sucked. And here I am about to knock over some bikes, about to drop this one. About to lose my patience. Yeah, we'll just leave that there. Well, hopefully I won't be needing this rack too much longer. Hopefully I won't need the ramp too much longer, because there's my new rack. It's supposed to be delivered Thursday, and I got a notification it was coming in today, and of course I wasn't going to be home today. But I left a note for Mr. UPS guy and said, hey man, please leave it. I'm getting to know him quite well, so I said, just put my name on it. Because it does require a signature. But thankfully he just did whatever he had to do and marked it as being delivered. Alright. Where is this sticking out? What is that for? Piece of twine. Alright, so now I need to back my truck up because I'm out here in the sidewalk. So let's back up the truck. Yeah. Valued at $600. Yeah, no one cares. And we'll call that good. At least it's only drizzling now. But oh my goodness. It was coming down pretty good for a little while. Everything's soaked. This bag needs to get emptied probably. Stick it over here. Come back out here and empty it, let that dry out. I need to do something with the bike before it does fall over. Push it back here. Now I can't get to my kickstand. This is a problem. This is a huge problem. I've been complaining about this for a while. Richard needs to stop complaining and do something about it. Kickstand down. Put that there. Now I gotta empty all this stuff out so it can dry. I'll be back shortly to do that off camera. Yeah. Oh. Smashing my camera again. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Tell me what you think.